Ota Asni. Ota Asni.
Ota Asni?
Ota Asni.
What?
He's got the frisbee. Hey mom. Oh what? Did y'all see the side eye mom gave me when I did that? Oh what? But anyway, poops. What we're just doing today is we're going out to Terrigal Beach. Shimra's angry because apparently the lighting doesn't look good for her face. Is it true, Shimra?
Yes.
It looks alright, bro. What are you talking about? It looks good.
Now it does because you moved it.
Nah.
Or it didn't look good.
Bro, it still looks the same. You're still black anyway, bro. Like
I'm a Caucasian white woman named Emily.
Bro, mom's killing that side-eye game today. But anyway, where we're heading today is we're going to Terrigal Beach for the New Year's Eve fireworks. If you haven't guessed, today's New Year's Eve in the vlog. I don't know when you guys will be watching this, but that's where we're heading. Fireworks start at 9, 6:15 right now, so check in with you guys when we get to the beach.
A few moments later.
When the ting went quack, 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 you man was done, man. Ota Asni, my brother, he's got the pumpy. Ota, my man, my guy, he's got the frisbee. So, mom, the cold one. Thoughts on Big Shaq's Man's Not Hot?
I can form up in a song and sing about cooking and stuff and make money because that was
really?
just rubbish.
Anyway, look, these houses just. This isn't even nothing. Shemai, tell them about the houses. What you think?
We're trash.
Okay, now she's lying. Obviously.
The other houses were nicer. They were like.
Oh yeah.
Also one that had an elevator in it.
I just told them about that. The dude in the glass elevator, looking at everyone walk into the fireworks.
I was thinking that he was just standing there.
Huh?
I was thinking that he was just standing there looking at us. I was like, what the hell? This is so weird. And then it started going down. I literally like lost my mind.
Are y'all seeing this? So this is where we're gonna be. Alright, so the situation now, we're just trying to find some food.
Hi, food, yum.
Oh, that's good lighting, bro. Anyway, back on me. We're hella hungry right now, so mom can't decide her mind. Make up her mind on some food to get. So right now we're just looking at some fish and chip shops, trying to figure out which one to eat, because we got like 2 hours till the fireworks, and my ass is hungry for real. Like I need to eat. I need to eat. Can't even. I need to eat. You made up your mind what you want to get?
Salt and pepper squid, beer batter chips, and flat cake.
Yo, I didn't ask for the whole menu. Just say fish and chips. Just say fish and chops. Just say fish and chips. It's that easy.
Fish and chops.
Okay, that's enough.
It's glowing. Hey. Let's have a look.
Alright, peeps. So we just finished having our food, fish and chips. How long did we wait for it?
40 minutes. 40 minutes.
Would you say 40 minutes?
40 minutes.
40 minutes? It was worth it though. It was worth it. Well, one thing I like about having fish and chips, I always get the same thing, but besides that, the tomato sauce always tastes real nice. I like, yeah, the same.
It's the same chips.
Never substitute with the same chips. Rice cooked.
Just the same chips. That's all he eats.
Hey, I like what I like. I'm gonna get it every time. If I like it, I'll get it every time.
Chicken fried rice. Chicken fried rice.
You take this nigga to a fancy restaurant, you ask you, is that chicken fried rice?
I don't want none of this Malay.
And there's your 40 bucks, totally gone.
Anyway guys, thanks for joining me in my vlog. I don't know, I might come up with you in the fireworks. So yeah, peace.
Yeah, remember, future OJ, cut that whole piece out of the vlog. When you're editing it, cut it out.
Yeah. Twinkle twinkle.
Wait, do that again. Cut that whole piece out.
We were staying in Paris to get away from your parents, and I thought, wow, if I could take this in a shot right now, I don't think that we could work this out on the terrace. I don't know if it's fair, but I thought, how could I let you fall?
Bro, these are like going off each and everywhere. So I'm feeling like I'm in Chirac at the moment, fam. So the barge that the fireworks were going off on, it malfunctions. And yeah, the fireworks just started shooting off everywhere. So the barge is actually burning on the water right now. And it's just firing off fireworks and like every, yeah, it's just going off. Can you see that? Yeah, I'm not even kidding. As soon as that thing started malfunctioning and it started firing fireworks off at us, my nigga, I started going closer, man. I was thinking about the views instead of my safety there for a second. But I think it must have been waves that got the barge and kind of tipped some of the fireworks over.
Man, it's going on.
Sheesh. Alright, so the police just asked us to evacuate the area.
Yeah, like it was too late to evacuate because everything had just gone up. Like
everyone's
seriously?
still here. Like for real, the thing was going off. It was probably at one of the
like
best parts. And mum was legit pulling me like, Ozzie, let's go. We're
going to safety.
I'm trying to get these views, fam. I don't care.
It's a plan to kill us all. It's a plan to kill us all.
But yeah, I'm gonna sign out the vlog from here, peeps. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that, leave a thumbs up. Leave a thumbs up for mum as well, because she was scared for her life. Peace out, guys.